so easy for us to convince ourselves that things are, because we're thinking them, that this is the way it is, but in real life, that's not really how it is. So that misinterpretation makes you feel drained in a relationship and emotionally exhausted. Be aware, because very, very often that feeling of self-sacrifice that you lumber yourself with, that becomes so overwhelming, is misrepresented in that you are not evaluating, you're not looking at the value that you are receiving in this situation, and that you're overlooking the benefits that you are enjoying. So be gentle, be good to yourself, and misrepresentation and misinterpretation is rife. It happens all the time, simply because of the way that communication takes place in the times that we're living in. It's so easy to miscommunicate and to misinterpret and to misrepresent. So don't succumb to feelings of self-sacrifice so easily. Go to the origin, go to the source. Where's the value? What is the value that I'm receiving? And then you self-regulate. You re-evaluate the situation and you look at the facts. You look at what is, not in your rightness how you want to believe it to be, but look at what is. And life is your teacher. It will always come and validate the truth for you. But don't wait until it's too late and you have given up something really valuable because of your own misinterpretation, because that is very sad. So, such is life. Go and make some good choices and look at the value in your life with new eyes. And stay warm for those of us who share this place where I am. All the best. Okay, see you soon.